Every personal finance influencer, every bank, every textbook tells you the same thing. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% on needs, 30% on wants, 20% on savings. Sounds clean, right? Here's what nobody tells you. That rule was built for a 1970s economy. The average American in 2024 spends over 60% on housing and groceries alone. The math literally doesn't work anymore. And if you've been following it and still feel broke at the end of every month, this is why. Let me show you the problem. The 50-30-20 rule assumes your biggest expenses are flexible. But for most Americans right now, rent alone is eating 35 to 45% of take-home pay in major cities. Add groceries, utilities, insurance, and your car payment, you've already blown past 50% without buying a single want. So what happens? People feel like failures. They give up on budgeting entirely. And that's the worst outcome. The rule isn't bad, it's just outdated. And I want to give you something that actually works in 2024. I call it the Pay Yourself First stack, and it flips the whole model. Step 1, automate your savings on payday. Before you pay a single bill, set up an automatic transfer, even $50 or $100 a paycheck. Doesn't matter how small. The key is it happens before you see the money. If you wait until the end of the month to save whatever's left, there will be nothing left. That's just how human psychology works. Step 2, build a bare minimum budget. This is your must-survive number. Add up only the non-negotiables: rent, utilities, minimum debt payments, groceries, transportation to work. That's your floor. For most people, it lands between 55 and 70% of take-home pay. And that's okay. Knowing the truth is step 1 to changing it. Step 3, use percentage-free spending zones. Instead of assigning fixed percentages to wants, give yourself a flat weekly fun allowance. Say $80 a week. When it's gone, it's gone. Flat dollar amounts are psychologically easier to track than percentages, especially when your income varies month to month. The old rule asks, did I stay under 30% wants? Most people have no idea. The new approach asks, did I spend my $80 this week? Everyone knows. Look, the 50-30-20 rule isn't evil. It's just a starting point that a lot of people treat as a finish line. Real cash flow management means building a system that fits your income, your city, your life. So here's what I want you to do right now. Drop your city in the comments and tell me what percentage of your income goes to just rent and groceries. I want to show everyone watching that this is a systemic problem, not a personal failure. And if you want the free budget template I use with the Pay Yourself First stack, link is in the description. It takes 10 minutes to set up and it changed my financial life. Subscribe if this helped. New video every week. I'll see you in the next one.